12 Embarkation Day rules seasoned cruisers swear by. Nothing beats the thrill of Embarkation Day. You spot that massive ship and boom, your getaway officially kicks off. Yet, in that very first hour, tons of folks stumble into pitfalls that kick off their trip with needless hassle and headaches. But hey, not you, not on this cruise. Today, we're spilling the 12 no-nos to skip when you step aboard. This game's your secret weapon to sail smarter, stay chill, and beat 90% of passengers. And watch for mistake number 7. It's the sneaky phone setting that racks up $1,200 bills. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, arriving too early. Big mistake. You'll regret showing up hours early if you're stuck sweating in endless lines outside the terminal. Cruise lines assign exact boarding slots via email. Ignore them, and you join the chaotic mob with no AC, water, or bathrooms. 80% of newbies waste prime vacation hours this way. Smart move? Arrive on time or early in port. Grab coffee, snap ship pics, then stroll in stress-free. But wait, we're still. Mistake number 2, forgetting essential carry-on. Imagine missing meds or your swimsuit because checked bags vanish for hours. You'll regret lounging awkwardly. Porters whisk big suitcases away, but stuff them with essentials? Rookie trap. Pack a carry-on day bag. Passport, pills, change of clothes, sunscreen, chargers, snacks. Pros hit the pool first while others wait. Keeps you pool ready, not stranded. But wait, we're still.
Mistake number 3, your banned security items. Sneaking banned gear like irons, drones, or extra booze, you'll regret the security freeze and confiscation. X-rays catch everything. Fire hazards, camo clothes in some ports, even handcuffs on Carnival. Delays your whole group, turns excitement sour. Check rules pre-trip, stick to allowances. Smooth scan equals straight to fun, but it gets worse. Mistake number 4, buffet. False good idea. Rushing the packed buffet zoo, you'll regret elbow fights for soggy food amid 3,000 hungry crowds. Lines snake forever on Embark Day. Skip it. Head to main dining for calm service. Guy's Burgers on Carnival or Park Cafe roast beef on Royal. Often free or discounted specialties too. Eat like VIPs while masses munch, and that's not even the worst part. Mistake number 5. Skip muster, huge risk. Blowing the muster drill, you'll regret mandatory repeats or even disembarkation threats. It's Safety 101, video on TV or app, then muster station check-in. Kids too, no skips. Parental nudge, complete early, ditch the stress, hit vacation mode. Pro tip, life jackets in closets, verify sizes now. Unfortunately, that's only the beginning. Mistake number 6, day 1 booze that ruins everything. Guzzling booze at Sailaway, you'll regret the sloppy regrets before dinner even starts. Welcome drinks tempt, but pace it. Hydrate between. Packages shine later. Day 1's for settling. Stay sharp for shows, not spins. But wait, we're still.
Mistake number 7, your phone bill explodes. Forgetting airplane mode? You'll regret $1,000 plus satellite roaming shocks. 90% hit this trap. Ships auto-switch to pricey maritime networks at sea. Flip to airplane mode pre-departure. Wi-Fi on for apps. Texts or calls? Port towers only. Bills dodged. Bliss unlocked. It's the mistake no one sees coming. The 8th, the Sailaway you'll regret forever. Imagine missing that first Sailaway deck view. You'll regret it, as 80% skip while unpacking and mourn the coast fading. Iconic magic, music, drinks, new friends as land slips away. Claim rail spots early. Toast the horizon. Lifetime memory, 0 crowds. The 9th, unchecked cabin is guaranteed hassles. Not scouting your cabin fast? You'll regret overlooked issues like broken AC before stewards vanish. Cabins ready? Drop carry-ons, test safe, TV, Lights. Request extras like pillows, hangers. Meet steward. Ice prefs. Bed setup. Flawless base camp set. But wait, worse still. The 10th. Wandering the ship like a tourist. Ignoring ship layout day 1? You'll regret lost hours hunting pools or kids clubs later. Explore now. Decks, hidden hot tubs, app maps. Sign kids for camps and book spa and fitness. Own the ship like locals. But wait, worse still. Mistake number 11. Wrong food settings from the start. Forgetting dietary chats or dining books? You'll regret bland meals or no-res shows. Alert steward for allergies and reserve specialties early, often Embark deals. Strategic tip, main dining quieter too. Gourmet start, no lines. But wait, worse still. And finally, mistake number 10. Cabin mess from day 1. Ditching unpacking for chaos? You'll regret cluttered cabins snowballing stress. Bags arrive late? Stow under bed. Layer clothes smart. Seasick? Pills pre-Sailaway. Organized equals relaxed voyage. 2 bonus hacks to crush Embark Day. Buffet peak? Scout main dining calm instead. Serene plates await. Luggage rain roulette? Scotch Guard zippers pre-trip. Damp dodge guaranteed. Like if this saves your cruise, sub for more tips, link in bio. Spill your #1 secret below. Fair winds.